Hello guys, welcome to Digital Mind presentation. This is our first ever presentation on YouTube, and I would want to tell you more about Digital Minds. Digital Minds is abbreviated as DIGIM, and I want to do this video for many of you who have been asking me about the VIP plan. This presentation, I'm going to show you the VIP plan and a challenge to not just the VIP but also to those who own the pre-register package. Okay, so let me just brief you about the gym before we talk about their vision, their approach, their model, and all the like. Okay, there is so much search on YouTube, there's so much search on Google, how to make money in Cameroon, how to make money in Africa, how to make money in Nigeria, how to make money in Kenya, and most often those things we see these guys talking about acting approaches and all the like. Most of those things don't work for us. It's true, some of them do work. I do work with some that do work in Africa. While I was in Africa, there are some that don't work at all. We do spend most of our time researching, but most of those things doesn't work. And the gym has come with a program that is going to work, that is working, and it will work forever in Africa. Every country in Africa is entitled to work online. We have the same potentials as they have. We have the same potentials as the rest of the world. So with the gym, I'm going to present to you the models which we have in place. I'm going to present to you the vision. I'm going to present to you the plan. I am going to explain to you some of the terminologies which we do use. And in case you don't know about us, you can just get to follow the link in the description below. You get to reach me on Facebook, you get to reach me on WhatsApp, you get to reach me on Instagram. We are on all social media platforms so that you can always get to contact us. Okay, the gym vision. I would want to create we want to create 20,000 African free bank accounts and prepaid cards with UBA, that is United Bank for Africa, to digitalize 20,000 young Africans before May 2020. It's a vision to elevate the financial freedom for 20,000 young Africans, exposing the advantage of self-employment, entrepreneurship, digitalization, reducing number of job applicants after university days, reorientating young African mindsets. Okay, this is the vision of the gym, and it is a very interesting vision because in Africa we don't have this digitalized mindset. We are too following the old approach, doing only those things our parents did, doing those things that we go to school to do. Most of us who make money online don't learn these things from school. We learn it from YouTube, we learn it from Google. You don't need to go to school to make it. You go to school, after school we get to search for jobs which you don't even have the jobs. Why all that stress? The gym has brought this vision to help Africans, to give us a working approach in Africa, to have many of us in Africa realize that there are great potentials online where we can make the same things which we see guys who are in the Western world, in Asia, in Europe, in America, in Canada doing. We can do those same stuffs. So far in Africa, I can do realize that it is limited to countries in South Africa, countries like Kenya, some part of Nigeria, where you do see guys doing digitalization to other levels. But in most countries like Gabon, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, you don't see these things in it. So the gym is here with a vision for Africa, a vision to help Africa. You can get to contact with us. You can comment below if you're interested to join the gym, if you're interested to know more about the vision. This is just a presentation. You can get to reach me. I will get to explain to you everything step by step, how to make it with the gym. Okay, what is the gym physical benefits? Single registration is for lifetime. You know, once you register with the gym, it's for lifetime. You have a $7 plan which once registered, you never register again. You work at your pace. A day you want to work, you work. A day you don't want to work, you don't work. Once registered, no monthly fee, no yearly fee, no charge. Nobody charges your credit card, nobody charges your method of payment, nobody charges you. You are bound to work at your pace. And with DIGIM, there is a 5 days payment procedure. We pay every 5 days from the day you register. Every income you make from the day you register, we pay every 5 days. We pay to your bank account, and there is an added advantage to people who have a UBA bank account. We pay to your mobile money, we pay to your Orange Money, we pay to your PayPal, we pay through Western Union. So we have so many methods of payment that work precisely in Africa. We offer you free bank accounts with Visa cards and prepaid cards. They are all free. Just for you to join DIGIM, you are exposed to this advantage. You are exposed to a weekly training and have access to join our WhatsApp private group. We educate people, and there are so many people from all over the world in this forum. It is a vision for Africa, but it is exposed to people to other parts of the world. So don't think you will get to join these forums and meet only people in Africa. No, there are some people who are doing marketing online. There are some people who are doing network online. They are all found in this forum. You find people on all aspects of doing money online on this forum. You have people who are always going to help you out, tell you what you need to know, tell you what you're lacking, help you in one way or the other while we are exposing our vision. Okay, the VIP Academy Investment Plan. What is it all about? The VIP Academic Investment Plan, it's an investment plan where the shareholder raises 30p registrar. A 30p registrar means you raise you register 300 persons. You register 300 persons. It is a chain. This is for a VIP. But the VIP is for a shareholder. For people who are just a single registrar, you don't need to do this. You need to do just a single registration of your $7 and you continue with the plan. But with a VIP, because this presentation is precisely for people who are VIP. VIP are people who are shareholders of DIGIM. Okay, with a DIGIM plan of a VIP, you are exposed to have 300p registrars, who are people who are your downline at a single registration. Now you will be wondering, how do I target these 300 people? You don't need to target them. You don't need to do the work. You need to buy your investment plan. DIGIM does this work for you. It is a 45 days challenge. After this investment, DIGIM does everything for the 45 days. It is their duty. Okay. Okay, so with DIGIM, you have a 45 days challenge. I've already explained this, but it doesn't only start from a 45. It can start from a 40 days challenge to a 45 days challenge. So it's a range. It's a range between 40 to 45. Okay, so the P registrar is just is open to all chances to continue registration after he earns a free bank account, a member of DIGIM for life. He does his or her first 3 registrations for free bank accounts to obtain a DIGIM package ID. So it means that every registrar, every P registrar has a DIGIM package ID. This ID is an ID that you use to update. It has a Google spreadsheet where you use to update all your transactions, all your registrations, all other registrars who are registered under you. They have been reflected here. Okay, so with the P registrar, the first registration code are automatically transferred to the VIP registrar. So once the VIP registrar has registered a P registrar, the P registrar is exposed to register as many P registers as possible. Now his first P registrations that he does, 3 of those P registrations within 45 days are being transferred to the VIP registrar. That's what happens. Once you have been registered for free by a VIP registrar, your first 3 registrations within the period of 45 days are being transferred to the VIP registrar. DIGIM that is the DIGIM platform owns 26% per 3 Ps. That is, out of every 3 Ps a P registrar does, be it from a VIP Academy registrar or from a normal P registrar plan, every 3 P registration that it does around are being owned by the VIP or are being owned by DIGIM. Okay, what is the model of operation of a P registrar? A P registrar simply means a owner or a visitor of a package. I've already explained that to you. DIGIM uses a three-man approach, which every 3 registration you are clear of duty. It means every 3 registration a P registrar does, he only needs 3 registration. The VIP needs a P registrar that he does 3 registration. A P registrar after registration and doing his 3 registration for the VIP auto transfer needs just 3 registration. After that 3 registration, you are entitled to work, but not a must that you must work, because your 3 registrations just need to do another 3 registrations and you are clear of duty. That is what that is the model of operation of a P registrar. In fact, the DIGIM model is classified as a 3P model, because once you do your 3P registrations, the duty is being transferred to the other Ps. So they need to do another 3P registration, and that order, the order continues. Is just in that manner. Once you do your 3P, the 3P transfers to another 3P, another 3P transfers to another 3P. So it's a 3P model. If you this is the expected result, if you want to know more about the expected result plan and explanation, you have to reach me. I will put my contacts and my link, my social media links in the description below. You can always reach me on social media. You can always reach me on WhatsApp. Anyway, anyhow you want to reach me, or you can write me an email. I'm always available to reply to you, or you can drop a comment in the comment section below. Until our next presentation, I will hope to hear from you.